homestead here. So today I'm going to show you how to put together your easy ultimate bucket milker.
Hey William, can you show me the pump unit?
The pump is the same as the Ultimate Easy as the Ultimate Easy Bucket Milker. The difference is the inflations.
Hey buddy, what you got in your hand?
This is the inflation for the Ultimate Milker. This is the same as the Udderly EZ Milker, hand milker, but instead it uses an electric pump. Easy Animal Products is always improving. First, they started with the hand pump. Then, they went with an inflation into a bottle with the electric pump. Lastly, best of all, to make it even easier, they took an inflation and made it go into the bucket. Let's talk about the bucket. The bucket can come in 2.5 gallons in stainless steel or BPA-free plastic. Or if you have a lot of cows or a lot of animals, it can come in 5 gallons of stainless steel. Let's see how to put it together. It comes with 4 inflations, so you can either do 2 goats or 1 cow. So, first you put the inflation in just like this, and just clip it on, just like that. It comes with 4 silicone hoses. Now make sure, before you put this together, make sure that the stopper is at the side where you put your inflation ins. Put that in there, slides on. Now, lastly, the end of the hose goes to the bucket. Now, make sure that you put your inflations here, but this is for the pump. So slide your inflation on, just like that.
And you're going to repeat that 3 times, right? 4 times.
4 times. All right, so let's do that again.
How hard was that, William?
Pretty easy.
It's got this hook to make it easier when you're carrying it out there to your barn, so this doesn't drag in the dirt. And get this bell lid, the whole machine comes off to make it easy to pour your milk out. So what do we got to do next?
Let's hook the pump on.
Okay, here's the one to the pump.
So we're just going to connect one end of the pump on there. And then lastly, to fully connect the pump, you want to take the other side and connect it right here onto this part.
Awesome.
Now, once you have all of that put together, you want to put one of these inflations onto the teat, turn it on, and then it'll start sucking the milk into the bucket.
I think what you do is you shut all of these to control the vacuum.
Oh.
Because if you're pumping all of these down and there's no teat connected, it's not going to stick in. So we're gonna press all these shut. See how it clamps it down? And we're going to leave one out, and it goes on a nipple. And when it connects, then we do the next one, until they're all done. Now, the beauty of this thing is it's almost idiot-proof. You don't have to worry about overflowing your bucket and getting milk into the pump because it's got this overflow. You don't have to worry about too much pressure damaging your animal's nipples for 2 reasons. One, there's a pressure release valve. It's an automatic. So if you get too much pressure, this will pop. Right? And if you look at the pump, see it's got a black line, it's got a red line? The lower pressure is for goats, small animals. The higher pressure is for cows, water buffaloes, right, horses, that sort of stuff, right? And it's got this adjuster, right, this adjustment knob. So when you turn it on, you do the adjustment knob to take the needle to where you want it, and then that's going to be the safe pressure for your animal.
Oh, well, that's pretty smart.
It's got an additional filter here just in case, but it won't ever get to that part. Some people wonder, and this will be another video, some people wonder how it doesn't have a pulsator. Big dairy machines have pulsators, and they say they do that to prevent damage to the udder. This one doesn't have one. Now, there are some medical journals that explain why this doesn't have to have a pulsator, but really it boils down to the safe working pressure. The pressure is low enough so that the heartbeat the blood going through the skin of the udder actually makes it pulsate. Pressure is not enough to actually cause damage to your animal. So this is very, very safe.
Stay tuned because in a later video we're going to use this on our mama goats.